Hey, this is Dan from The Verge, and I'm here with the new Surface headphones from Microsoft. Now, these are the first wearable devices in Microsoft's Surface product line. We've seen tablets and laptops and crazy desktop computers like the Surface Studio, but the Surface headphones are something you can actually put on and wear out of the house. Now, they are wireless Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones, and they're over-ear style, so they go on top of the ears on the side of your head. And they're pretty similar in a lot of the features that we're familiar with this kind of headphones. So if you're familiar with Beats wireless headphones or Bang & Olufsen's Beoplay headphones and many others, these are pretty similar. But there are some really unique features here that Microsoft built in. Now, you've got touch controls on the side, so you can tap to play and pause, and you can double tap to skip tracks. You can also long press to launch Cortana, or you can say, "Hey Cortana," and Cortana will launch on your phone or your PC and then give you answers. You've got a USB-C charging port, 3.5mm line in, so you can use them wired. Standard button to mute the microphone, and then power. And then on the other side, you kind of got a similar design. Now, what's really unique here is on the right cup, you've got a volume scroll wheel, so you can raise and lower your volume very easily. But on the left side, you've got a same kind of wheel that adjusts the noise canceling features. So you can adjust it from 13 different levels. You can completely block out all outside sound, or you can turn it down and let in some outside sound if you need to talk to a colleague or hear traffic or whatever. It's a really unique feature. Many headphones that are like this let you either just turn the noise canceling off or on, or maybe not even that, it's just always on. Being able to adjust it to that many levels is really quite unique. Now inside they've got 40mm drivers, you've got big padded memory foam ear cups. They're actually really quite comfortable. They've got this like big cutout for your ears, so your ears fit right inside of them. An adjustable headband, they fold flat, they're gonna come with a case that you can put it in for travel and such like that. And they're mostly plastic and this kind of squishy material, memory foam material. Very similar to kind of Beats headphones if you're familiar with them in the past. Now Microsoft says that it's going to be shipping these by the end of the year, before the holiday season. They're going to cost about $350, which is about right in line with the price of other headphones of this style. Now for sound quality, I briefly tried them and it was a pretty loud environment, but they sound basically like a lot of other headphones like this. You're gonna have really punchy bass, you're gonna have good, decent presence, but it's not gonna be a super wide soundstage, and you shouldn't expect like audiophile, sparkly highs and stuff. But for this price point and what these offer, I think a lot of people are gonna be really happy with the way they sound. So that's it on the Surface headphones. For everything else that Microsoft announced today, the new Surface Pro 6, the Surface Laptop 2, the new Surface Studio, be sure to check out TheVerge.com and YouTube.com/TheVerge.